Yes, this is, I'm at 6 months now. It's really been a fantastic experience. The hairs, started growing at about a little just after 3 months, exactly as Dr. Lamb said. All of it was very, very easy to do. I'm just absolutely thrilled with the hairs that have come in. It's much, much thicker, even just at 6 months now. So I'm excited to see what happens over the next 6 months. But it's been nothing but a great experience. I've been able to do whatever I needed to do with the hair after the initial 3 or 4 weeks. I've been able to do anything. I can color it. I can comb it any way I want to. I do everything that I want to do that I did before the hair went missing for me. So it's been just an absolutely great experience with Dr. Lamb's office and a professional staff all the way around. I'm just excited about the results.
So I'm going to get up here, and right now he's still very early in the growth, so you can see that there's still a little see-through. That will start to go away in the next few months, but you can see how natural these grafts are close up. The other thing I want to show you is that, so you hold this for me for a second over here. This was done with a strip procedure, and I want to show you the difficulty of finding the scar. First of all, I'm just going to comb through it just gently, as if someone is just going to just briefly go through it. Then I'll try to find the scar itself. But you can see, good luck in finding it. Your barber can't find it, right?
No, not at all.
Can anyone find it?
No.
Of course not.
I was able to see initially.
Yes.
And now I can't.
You can't find it, right?
You don't see it.
I will tell you what's cool about this is good luck in trying to find this scar. This is what I love, this propaganda online about, please do FUE, which we do a lot of FUE and strip here, but it's tailored to the patient. Just good luck at finding the scar. And this is what's so fun for me, is that you see all these bad scars online that just frighten you to death, and his barber can't find it. I'm sure his significant other can't find it. He can't find it. I can't find it. Susanna can't find it here. It's just, it is really, really good. Now, I did see a very faint hint of a line. I could see it. I'm sure if he shaved off all his hair, I could barely see it. But right now, you really can't even find the scar. I mean, it's just practically invisible. So I think this is what's fun about it. Sorry to mess up your hair today.
No worries.